Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Happy weekend! It is another day, which means another flipping day. Speaking of weekends, I hope everyone is having a great time with their loved ones and with their families. At mas pagandahin pa natin ang weekends nyo with Wings Edition by SweeTreats, which is available in Rojas City, Capiz. O sa mga taga-Rojas dyan, kaway-kaway naman mga taga-Capizeños. Nga pala, shout out sa best friend ko maganda, Clydel Bacero. Hi ka, stay pretty and stay healthy. So, ayun nga guys, Wings Edition by SweeTreats is perfect for the whole family because they have a lot of flavors to choose from. Ilalagay ko na lang sa screen para makita nyo yung mga price and yung different flavors nila. And for those who are interested, ilalagay ko yung Facebook page nila in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get back to business. So today we are going to flip two of my old clothes that I have never worn since I bought them or since binigay sila sa akin. And I'm not gonna take much of your time, so without further ado, let's start flipping! First up is this black off-shoulder top that I got from Taytay for only 25 pesos. And of course, our best friend seam ripper will help us remove the sleeves. Since the sleeves are stretchable, I decided not to throw it away. Instead, I made it as a ponytail. Kind of top, it's hard for me to know where is the side part or the top part. So I'm going to mark the area or the part where I'm going to attach the puff sleeves that we are going to make today. I'm not an expert in creating a sleeve from the scratch, so I got my old shirt and right now I'm just going to remove one sleeve to make it as my guide in creating the puff sleeve. If you have oversized shirt, that would be better. Next, I'm just going to trace the sleeve onto the manila paper. Yes, we're gonna do the old school process. Then, measure your desired sleeve length and sleeve round. Then, cut the first pattern. Next, draw straight lines on it with equal measurements in between. Then cut the pattern by following those lines. In creating a puff sleeve, the wider the armhole, the bigger puff you will get. Then, trace again and cut the second pattern and it should look like this. There will be a lot of tracings here. So yeah, trace the second pattern onto the fabric and then cut, leaving half an inch for the seam allowance. So now I'm going to sew the edges of this puff sleeve and I just bend everything so that it won't move so much. My favorite part, gathering. On this process, I use half an inch garter to gather the armhole and the sleeve round. Make sure to place the garter where the threads are. Take note, the harder you pull, the more ruffles you'll get. We're almost done, people. people, and right now we're just going to sew the side part of the puff sleeve. Remember to sew on the wrong side of the fabric. And yes, always try it on to see if there's anything you need to fix. But as you can see, I'm very satisfied on how it turned out. So everyone, I'm done with the first sleeve, and now I'm going to attach it to the top. And I'm going to sew it manually kasi hindi ako expert sa pagtahi ng sleeves using sewing machine. Next is the Zara maxi dress. First, I got my crop top also from Zara, then I just put it on top of the dress and trace it. But I decided to go a little higher, so I fold 1 inch up and then cut it. For the skirt, I just marked how high the slit I wanted to be. Then, remove the side stitches until the mark. With the help of this little sewing machine, I'm going to hem the bottom part of the crop top. And I already made a garter hole by folding 2 inch. Make sure that the measurement is based on the garter that you're going to use. Time to put the garter into the hole. So what I do to make it easier is I use 2 safety pins on both sides and pin the other side into the skirt. Since open siya and nakikita yung garter, we don't want this kind of look, of course. So, ang gagawin natin, isasara lang natin yung opening. Ayan. We're almost done, people. For the last step, we are going to hem the sleeves.